Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on Android device, and then I will move to Apple device. But some Android phones have system what's similar to iOS, visually. So maybe you need to check also this part with iOS, because you will have the same settings. Now, on your Android, open Settings, and then scroll down. You need to find Accessibility. On my phone, it's located at the bottom. Click on them. And then scroll down also, and we need to find audio adjustment, what also at this phone located at the bottom. Tap on this line, and right here we have sound balance. So to increase it for the right earbud, to change it for the right earbud, change this balance, you need to move this dot to the right. But once you move it to the right, you will increase the volume on your right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And if you, let's say, use 100% of the right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. And it's the same for the left earbud, just move the slider to the left. And again, you will increase the volume on your left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for Android device. Now let's move to Apple device. On your iPhone, open Settings, and you need to find Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Click at this line, and now you need to also scroll down, and right here you have Hearing. And in the Hearing we have Audio and Visual. Click on it, and then scroll down again. And right here we have Audio Balance. To change it for the right earbud, you need to move this dot, or if you have iOS 26, the slider to the right. But once you increase it to the right earbud, because right now we increase the volume on the right earbud, we will lower it on the left earbud. And if you, let's say, use 100% on the right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. To change it for the left earbud, you need to move the slider or the dot to the left. And again, you will increase the volume on your left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.